take a few minutes to wish you a very Merry Christmas from me, my family, and all of our friends here at VINwiki. 2024 has been an amazing year in so many ways, and there is so much to celebrate. Lots of great stories, great times with cars, and awesome times with our favorite friends. But there's also, for me and a lot of us, a lot of hurt this year, primarily in our loss of Rob Rabbit Pitts. And I hope that, like me, you've gone over to Netflix recently to see season 2 of Tex-Mex Motors, which is live and trending around the world as a great way to see Rabbit in action one last time. And you watching that show, supporting it on Netflix, is the best way to support his friends, the cast there at Tex-Mex Motors, and of course, to continue to cement his amazing legacy as the automotive personality that Rabbit was. But in that pain and in that hurt, I know that I can find hope and I can find joy because of the true meaning of Christmas that we try to celebrate each year here at VINwiki. And as I prayed with Rob throughout the diagnosis, throughout the pain, throughout the difficulty, and everything that he went through, all the way up to at his bedside in hospice, we talked about the miracle that began on Christmas, that Jesus Christ was born, Emmanuel, God with us, fully God and fully man, in a manger, in a stable, not in a palace, not coming as a king, but conquering death in a way that only he could. He went on to live a perfect life and die a death that he didn't deserve in our place to overcome all the VINwiki shirts that Rob could ever wear, all the mistakes, all the things that we all do wrong, and the separation that we find from God that we can't fix ourselves, but that he did, that Jesus did, living that perfect life, dying and resurrecting on the third day, demonstrating his conquering death so that we can as well, not on our own doing, but because it is a free gift of salvation that God has offered to us through Jesus in something that began 2,000 years ago. And so I know, because of his profession of faith, that Rob said there, that his confidence in that truth and in that relationship that he'd found with God, that it was almost exciting to get to the other side of this. And that's what gives me the peace and the confidence and the hope in knowing that Rob is truly in a better place this Christmas, in the presence of God, worshiping him, in no more pain and no more hurt. And even though it hurts for us not to have it, it's what gives me the excitement to know that I will see Rob again because of that decision that he made, that profession of faith in salvation through Jesus that I've made as well, and that I hope you have too. And this Christmas, if you've got any questions about the nature of salvation through Christ or what it really means to become a Christian, I'd love to try to answer them in the comments. I hope that you can also get plugged in to some great mentorship, some great support at your local church. It is the biggest part of my life, and it's what makes all the rest of it make sense. God has blessed me in so many ways. I've had an amazing life, and I continue to walk into a garage every day and have to pinch myself because I can't believe that it's all actually real. But none of that matters apart from what I know that God did that began that first Christmas with a baby in a manger. And so as we celebrate Christmas today, I hope that you have a wonderful day. I hope that you have a wonderful 2025 and that you can look back on some great memories in 2024. But whatever the pain is, whatever you feel like you can't overcome, even if it doesn't happen on this side of heaven, know that salvation in Christ is available and it's a free gift for you. So please let us know what you've loved most about 2024, some great Rabbit memories, and what you're most excited about in 2025. And thank you as always for your support of VINwiki. Merry Christmas.